I now invite my colleagues Murli and Vinay to present how we continue to strengthen the governance and management with version 27. Over to you, Murli.
Hey, thank you, Nishi. Hello, good morning and good evening, everyone. My name is Murali Pallikonda. I'm so excited to introduce some of the new governance features that are coming up in this release. So the next feature I'm going to demonstrate is about an enhancement to our automation scheduling. So this feature actually simplifies our automation scheduling even further. So this allows our customers in two ways. Number one, they will be able to scale their automations very easily. And also, at the same time, they will be able to utilize their licenses very efficiently with this new feature. So let me quickly show you how it works. So here I have Jake from Finance Department. So he has access to, say, let's say 3 bot owner users, Finance BR1, Finance BR2, and Finance BR3. As you can see, out of the 3, 2 of these users are already busy currently running other automations. So now let's say here he wants to schedule another automation at this time. So while doing that, he needs to pick which bot owner user is free in order to run this automation. For example, if he selects either Finance BR1 or Finance BR2, this automation will be queued because they're currently busy. Even though Finance BR3 is available, his automation is not getting processed. That means he's underutilizing his licenses. So to avoid this situation, he has to carefully pick the Finance BR3 to run this automation. So just imagine how complex this would be if you have to manage thousands of schedules with your hundreds of bot owner licenses. But with this new enhancement, he doesn't have to worry about that. He'll simply select all the bot owner users that can be used to run this automation and specify to use any one of them to run this automation. Once he does that, the system will automatically check which bot owner is free at this point of time, and then automatically pick that bot owner user to run this automation. So in this case, as you can see, the system actually picked the Finance BR3 to run this automation. To summarize, so with this enhancement, our customers are able to scale very easily and also utilizing their licenses efficiently. So now there's a second piece of governance to this, which is being notified for important events. To show you and talk to you about this new alerts and notifications feature, let me hand it off to Vinay. Thank you.